नमस्कार, विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं अशोक व्यास ITV गोल्ड पर। इस कार्यक्रम में आज 5 अक्टूबर सोमवार को हम आप तक पहुंचाने वाले हैं 2 खास रिपोर्ट जिनका संबंध है भारत के राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी से। पहली रिपोर्ट आप तक आएगी रॉयल एल्बर्ट पैलेस से, जहां पर कॉन्सल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया के ऑफिस के साथ भारत के कई संगठनों ने मिलकर गांधी जी की जयंती को बड़े प्रेरणास्पद और श्रद्धा के साथ मनाया। इसके अलावा हम आपको लिए चलेंगे वेस्टबरी, वहाँ क्यूनी यूनिवर्सिटी में गांधी पीस गार्डन से गांधी जयंती की एक विशेष रिपोर्ट आप तक आएगी और ये दोनों रिपोर्ट्स आपकी प्रतीक्षा करेंगी इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। बने रहें हमारे साथ। आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम। इस कार्यक्रम में आपको लिए चलते हैं रॉयल एल्बर्ट पैलेस। महात्मा गांधी जी की प्रेरणाएं आज भी संसार के लिए प्रासंगिक हैं। कॉन्सल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया के साथ भारत के कई संगठनों, जिसमें वीगन विजन भी शामिल था, ने मिलकर एक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया। गांधी जी को याद किया गया, उनकी शिक्षाओं को याद किया गया। इस अवसर पर कॉन्सल जनरल के अलावा ITV गोल्ड के चेयरमैन पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक तथा अन्य कई गणमान्य अतिथि उपस्थित थे। प्रस्तुत है इस कार्यक्रम की ये रिपोर्ट।
Today we are here to celebrate 150th birthday of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And really the message is that from the Mahatma Gandhi that his life is his message. So we should follow Gandhiji's life, and that will the great message for the everyone. And Mahatma Gandhi is more relevant today when there is a lot of crime, lot of protest, lot of hate among people. I think Mahatma Gandhi makes a lot of sense today's world in 2020. And I must congratulate Mr. Butala and HK Shah, those who are they are putting together this great exhibition and a great show. So
I am Bhadra Butala, founder of Gandhian Society. I believe in Gandhi. Gandhi is, for me, Gandhi is everything. I dedicated my life for Gandhi.
There are volumes of things can be spoken for Mahatma Gandhi. But let me tell you one or two things. The truth and non-violence, these are his main principles which should be followed by everyone in today's world also. Thank you. This function is organized because of him. He is really Gandhian, and what you see here, including this and that, all collected by him for years together. He spent a lot of money, and he is spending a lot of money.
आपका केबल लगा था ऊपर?
Volumes can be spoken on Mahatma Gandhi.
वो भी नहीं आ रहा।
Let me try to finish in a couple of minutes. He was very poor man. Mahatma Gandhi was a very poor man. No assets, no wealth, no power, no authority. Still biggest loving person and respected in the world. More better than any president or prime minister of the world. He gave a lot of messages you heard just now to the mayor of Woodbridge. Everybody knows him even in this century also.
But H.K. Shah, Mr. Sudhir, Dr. Sudhir Parikh, and all the VIP people. I am Bhadra Butala, Foundation of Gandhian Society. Gandhi is different for me. Gandhi is, somebody thinking about the Gandhi is a thousands of principles. I follow his principle. Gandhi is not a politician. Gandhi philosophy is not a politician. Gandhi never believed in the war. Gandhi never believed in caste. Gandhi never believed any discrimination. I am a follower of Gandhi, and whatever I am doing, just for my habit and my satisfaction of my soul. Thanks for inviting. Thank you.
What is so special about this celebration? I'll tell you two things. One, this is 150th celebration, birth anniversary celebrations. I see that here, the exhibition that you put and so meticulously put, it celebrates the Mahatma and his life, but more importantly, it celebrates his legacy. When you see the exhibition, the writing about Rosa Parks, about Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, you go out and see what living people like Leah Diskin and others think of the Mahatma and how he can add value. That is what it is celebrating. So thank you very much for being so thoughtful in your celebration. It is 150 years of the Mahatma, and this is a celebration of his 150 years of his life and legacy together. So thank you very much.
My dear friend, Honorable C.G. Jaiswalji, Councilman, my good friend H.R. Shah, and Butala Sahib, and my real buddy H.K. Shah, and dear friends. As we celebrate this 150th anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi's birth, we must pause for some time in our hurried and worried life to contemplate what does this great man is stand for or mean to this world in the past, and what he means today to the world and to each of us with his profound words that we seen quoted by most of the Americans so many times. Quote, be the change you wish to see in the world. So that's really a great slogan by Mahatma Gandhi ji, and it was adopted by Martin Luther King as well as all the leaders, those who did non-violent leadership all over the world. We would be doing him a great honor if we live by his word and if we practice his determination to achieve his great goals through the non-violence and civil disobedience. In today's environment, where the racism, hate crime, massive wealth inequality, climate change, civil war, protest all over are raging, his teaching on the non-violence and the right to civil disobedience seems even more relevant today in the 21st century. If I would not surprise that 100 years from now, Gandhiji might be is one of the god will be kind of honored as a god for the non-violence in the world. Today there are many critics of the Gandhi, and it has even become a fashionable for some people to rewrite the Mahatma Ji's history. But not one of those critics can say that Bapuji did not try from his heart to bring the peace and harmony in the world. Let's give 3 cheers to the Mahatma Gandhi and remember Mahatma Gandhi ji. God bless Mahatma ji. God bless America. God bless India. Thank you.
I am delighted to attend this event where we are celebrating the 150th birth anniversary celebrations of Mahatma Gandhi. We see a lot of energy here. The exhibition that has been put out has a lot of meaning, has a lot of depth. It covers the Mahatma's life and his legacy, his influence on the United States in the protests that happened in the United States during the civil rights movement and beyond. The exhibition showcases the struggle that happened in South Africa and the struggles that are going on in different parts of the world. I would encourage everybody, but especially the young people, to come and see the exhibition and to learn from the life and legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you so much.
आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम, जो सोम, मंगल, बुधवार और गुरुवार को शाम 8 बजे ITV गोल्ड पर आपकी सेवा में पेश किया जाता है। और यही कार्यक्रम, इसका एक साप्ताहिक अंक विशेष रूप से सजाकर हम आपकी सेवा में प्रस्तुत करते हैं रविवार को सुबह 11 बजे। आपकी सकारात्मक प्रतिक्रियाओं, सराहना के लिए आभार व्यक्त करते हुए निवेदन, बने रहें हमारे साथ। होते हैं हाजिर इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में अब हम आप तक पहुंचाते हैं वो रिपोर्ट जिसमें आप देखेंगे प्राकृतिक स्थल का सौंदर्य और महात्मा गांधी के स्मृति को जागृत रखने के लिए सुंदर प्राकृतिक वातावरण में भारत सरकार और शांति फंड तथा अन्य संगठनों ने मिलकर जो एक बीड़ा पिछले बरस उठाया था, वो अब उस स्थिति में पहुंच गया है जिसको देखकर हम गर्व का अनुभव कर सकते हैं। और ये अहिंसा के पुजारी की स्मृति लंबे समय तक बनी रहने वाली है। प्रस्तुत है इस विशेष स्थल पर हमारी ये खास रिपोर्ट।
पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, मन अभिमान ना आणे रे, वैष्णव जन को तेने कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे, वैष्णव जन को।
It is a beautiful day. Thanks to all your people's prayer to celebrate Gandhi's birthday at a most beautiful locations one can find on this 600-acre campus, in which we have this 50-acre space where we have planted 150 trees, and it's a 4-way partnership. State University of New York, Old Westbury provided the space. Consul General of India via Government of India via Consul General provided all the help and support. Shanti Fund became the key partner to make dream and action realize.
I think there is a lot of love and commitment. This is what I could feel and sense in the community. We are so happy that all of us have got together. Shanti Fund led this initiative to come and celebrate Mahatma in this verdant nature. Mahatma, he was an environmentalist, he was a naturalist. He cared for the nature, he cared for not just human beings but everything around him. He had a special message for the world that we must protect our nature, we must revere our nature. So what better way than to be here to celebrate his 150th birth anniversary celebration?
Well, one thing I must say before anything is that Sudhir Parekh is one of the sponsor of one of the trees, which I request Ashok Bhai to go take a look at it, take a picture, give it to Sudhir Parikh. And I must say that Sudhir, I cannot say Sudhir Parikh and I cannot say Padma Shri Sudhir, because he was my friend before all those things, he got it. So I say Sudhir is doing invaluable job by mass media that we will have otherwise difficulty to reach out to hundreds, if not thousands and thousands of people.
From my students, I got a young mind even in an aging body. They gave me a mind free of generation gap.
Oh, if ever Gandhiji's message was more important, it's right now. And it's heartbreaking because you see the violence that's going on, and it's just Gandhi and Dr. King, who was one of Gandhi's greatest disciples, so to speak. We get nowhere with violence.
How do you see overall American political environment in the light of Gandhian principles, and what would you like to happen?
Well, I think that more elected officials should listen to his teachings, and I think they should continue to inspire us. And I think even generations after he's passed, I think they continue to do that. And in my office, there is a beautiful picture of Gandhi, and I look towards him in terms of his teachings to help me construct the dialogue and the goals to achieve the American dream for the people of Huntington.
You know, Mahatma Gandhi dedicated his life to getting independence for us. And even Martin Luther King, when he went to India, when he landed at the airport, what he said first, he said, normally I go to visit other countries, but I come to India as a pilgrim. You know, and what he said about Gandhi, he said, to me, India means Gandhi.
Thank you all for coming today here on this spectacular morning to celebrate Gandhi's 152-year celebration, and this is the finale of 2-year celebration which was earmarked by the Government of India, and we are very happy that Consul General representing Government of India is here in presence.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम.
But the town of Huntington was very proud to be one of the first locations to kick off that 150th anniversary celebration. And so we're very proud. Arvin, we've adopted Arvin in the town of Huntington, and but this is just a wonderful, wonderful way to cap off a year of celebrations.
I got a young mind in an aging body. I got a mind free of generation gap, free of inequalities, and I have a mind full of optimism.
One key man that he always admired and from whom he borrowed certain ideas or was encouraged by his ideas of civil disobedience, protest, peaceful protest, fight for justice, was Henry David Thoreau. That was the influence of this land of United States of America on Mahatma.
आप सबका धन्यवाद करते हुए I'll recollect the title of Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. और सत्यमेव जयते राष्ट्र से आते हुए मैं जब पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक की तरफ से जो ITV गोल्ड और पारिक वर्ल्ड वाइड मीडिया के चेयरमैन हैं आपके सामने हूँ, तो एक मुख्य जो संकल्प हुआ है कि गांधी जी के बारे में गांधी इन न्यूयॉर्क ऐसा विषय लेते हुए एक सीरीज़ बनाई जाए जिसमें हम शांति फंड का और कॉन्सुलेट का सहयोग और अन्य संगठनों के साथ जुड़कर ये प्रस्तुत करेंगे. एंड इन स्पिरिट डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक वांट्स टू कन्वे that he is not only with Gandhian values but through media we would like to work collectively with the community to propagate Gandhian values of peace. Thank you.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो.
I know Dr. Sudhir Parikh personally, and Dr. Sudhir Parikh, he's been great supporter of Shanti Fund. He always supports every activity that we did, and it is a great idea that we have to thank Dr. Parikh for promoting the Gandhian channel on ITV, and anything that we can promote, we can contribute personally from the Shanti Fund or from anybody else, that Gandhian scholar or anything. We'll be very happy to bring them, and it will be great because we have to impart this value to our next generation. We already know.
मेरे को बहुत खुशी हो रही है आज। पहले तो यहाँ गांधी जयंती मनाते हुए आज हम फिनाले कर रहे हैं 150 साल का गांधी पीस गार्डन लॉन्ग आइलैंड में।
It is, we cannot summarize in few words, and it is going, this legacy is going to remain here forever. We may come, we may go, many people will come and go, but the name of Mahatma Gandhi and this peace garden is going to remain forever. And it's really a great pleasure and honor that I am one of the contributors here, and I supported this from my heart, and I'm very happy to see it, that it is flourishing and it is going to make a major impact in the generations to come. And Ashokji, one more thing, I want to admire you personally also. You are very divine, and you have also followed the principle of Mahatma Gandhi. I have never heard a single word which will be outside the definition of ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi is known for ahimsa, and you are also his torch bearer. Thank you, Ashok ji.
कमलेश जी, ये बहुत मेरे लिए भारत रत्न जैसे हो गए साहब। बहुत बड़ी बात आपने कही है, और आपके आशीर्वाद या सब बड़ों के आशीर्वाद और भगवान की कृपा से हम सब इस तरह का जीवन अपनाएं जैसे गांधी जी के मूल्यों को याद रखते हुए हम किसी को हर्ट ना करें। तो जो इस तरह के व्यक्तित्व होते हैं जो एक क्षेत्र में सफलता अर्जित करने के बाद में अन्य क्षेत्रों में आते हैं, और ख़ासकर मीडिया में, जैसे डॉक्टर सुधीर पारेख, उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में या उनका जो विजन है उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं उसको कमेंट करता हूँ डॉक्टर सुधीर पारेख, उनकी दूरदृष्टि को। देखो, पहली तो बात ये है जो मजाक नहीं है कि अशोक जिन्होंने दुनिया जीती, अशोक सम्राट उनके साथ हैं, सुधीर जी के साथ, तो दे कैन कॉन्कर, और वो कॉन्कर कर रहे हैं मीडिया से। और उनकी सेवा जो मेडिकल लाइन में है और अभी मीडिया के थ्रू कर रहे हैं, ये आवाज़ जो है वो दूर दूर तक पहुंचा रहे हैं सुधीर जी अशोक जी के माध्यम से या अपने दूसरे सहायकों के माध्यम से।
I admire him. You know, we both have common thing. My background and his background is not media. I am also in media. It is just an incident that I am here. But once you are part of the media, then you understand that your voice and your vision has a lot of meaning. Dr. Parekh is a very unique person. He is only person I know in our community who has won the Pravasi Bharatiya Padam Shri. And there is a long list. He was a knight also. I don't remember exactly. But I have seen that Dr. Parekh has contributed so much in his personal capacity as well as via his media. And as of right now, I think he's the biggest media house of Indian American community, and he's doing it very graciously, and we admire him for that.
And remember, in the role, people were asking him, Nehruji was asking him, Jinnah was asking him, how will you be passive and fight the British? And then I remember Gandhiji, it sticks with me to this day. He said, I for one have never advocated passive anything. I'm all about active non-cooperation against the British. Ahimsa, Satyagraha, all these principles. Why do I know them? Not because of the movie Gandhiji. Because I studied this works and the teachings of Martin Luther King Jr., who attributed his philosophy, his struggle for civil rights and freedom in the United States, to the works of Gandhiji. And Gandhiji attributed his works to an American philosopher by the name of Ralph Waldo Emerson. So to me, we're all interconnected.
और अब आज का विजन वेशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम समाप्त करने से पहले हम आपको याद दिला दें कि ITV गोल्ड के फेसबुक पर आप हमारे फ्रेंड अवश्य बने, सब्सक्राइब करें ITV गोल्ड के यूट्यूब चैनल को और लिखें इवेंट्स के बारे में और अन्य सुझावों के साथ हमें ITV गोल्ड के लिए events@itvgold.com पर साथ देने के लिए आपका आभार करते हुए स्वस्थ रहने की मंगल कामनाओं के साथ अशोक व्यास को अब अनुमति दें। नमस्कार।